Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on Gastromania. Today we're going to share another recipe, and this time it's going to be a dessert. It's called 白果薏米 or Ginkgo Barley dessert. It's a Chinese dessert that is best served hot, best served after a meal to complete it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. For the ingredients, we need about 80 grams of barley. We have to soak them by adding about 150 milliliters of water. Next, we have 5 to 6 pieces of pandan leaves. We have to roughen the base of the pandan leaves and soften it. Then, tie it into a knot. This will make it easier to release the flavour inside the pandan leaves and keep it compact while boiling in the dessert. $100 grams of ginkgo nuts. Prepare them by first removing the shell. Use a hard object like a pestle to crack the hard shell. Then remove the nuts from inside the shell. Boil the ginkgo nuts for about 10 minutes. This will soften the ginkgo nuts and make the skin very easy to remove. Like this. We can then remove the embryo of the ginkgo nuts using a toothpick. The embryo must be removed as it tastes bitter, otherwise the dessert will turn bitter. We also have dried beancurd skin. Break the beancurd skin into smaller pieces. Lastly, we have about 30 grams of rock sugar. Adjust the sweetness of the dessert by varying the amount of rock sugar to add according to your own preferences. And with that, let's get cooking. First, add the pandan leaves into the boiling water. Then, add the barley seeds. Boil the mixture for about 10 minutes. If needed, add more water after the 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the pandan leaves. Then, add the beancurd skin. Add the rock sugar. Add the ginkgo nuts. Cover the pot and boil for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, taste and adjust the flavour according to your own preferences. And the dessert is ready to be served. Optionally, we can also add an egg while serving. And the recipe is complete. Ah, what a nice dessert to end off the lunch. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed our recipe, do help us out by hitting the like button. Subscribe if you have not done so. Follow us on our socials to keep updated with our activity. And I'll catch you in my next video.